Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to do a quick video on the roof rebuild of my 1997 Coleman that had the ABS roof that had the sagging problem. What I did was I completely stripped off the outer ABS skin. That was really easy. It would almost eliminate it all by itself. Also, I had to take the air conditioner off, took the canopy bracket, the little awning strip off, got that off. And then what I had to do was I had to get the roof back into shape. So what I did was I used this Uni-Strut. This Uni-Strut comes in 10-foot sections. You can get it either raw metal or you can get it prime green, or I guess like a green paint. And I went with 1 5/8, and I use these corner brackets, these 90-degree corner brackets that also is made by Uni-Strut. Pretty good sized bolts. I think these are like maybe 5/8 bolts. I mean, they're pretty sturdy. And they've got these little T-nuts that go up inside the strut. Now, in the strut, you'll see I used the slotted. Totally up to you. I went with slotted just to kind of cut down some of the weight. Probably didn't make that much of a difference, but everything counts. So I've got this strut here. Runs from side to side. There's a little T connector which runs front to back. Coming to the other side. Here's the other side. Now I got lucky, so the distance between this back bracket here and the bracket up at the front of the pop-up is 10 feet, center to center. So I got lucky. So double check yours. So the 10-footers worked really good, so I was able to put a solid 10-foot Uni-Strut connecting here to the little T-nut here. Went with the T instead of the little 90 or the little flat bracket, just because it just gave extra strength. Now distance, obviously measure your own coach or your own pop-up, but this is, I think it's 23 1/4 inches from that outside edge, and then you'll have to cut your little curve there. 23 1/4 to that cut edge right here. There's my finger, so there's the cut edge. So I cut here, and on the opposite side had that welded together. Probably cost me about $70. 33 1/2 inches from that cut edge over to this side, so 33 1/2. Now that spaced it out well, so I put the T bracket on that cut edge where the weld comes together, and what that allowed me to do is space these apart evenly. Now I took the AC out, but I put in a roof vent, so I've got plenty of room for the roof vent. But as you can see, you might be able to see the old indicator where the air conditioner used to be, so the shroud. So it would still fit if I needed an AC back in. Now I wouldn't put an AC in. I don't want to cause any stress on the roof. But really happy with the Uni-Strut. As you can see here, it comes up. You'll have to get the shape back out, back into shape, and then put this on the inside, get it all bolted up. And what's nice is there's no holes in the outer skin at all from this project. So no holes, no leaks. So everything is on the inside. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, put that down below. And good luck with your project. See ya.